lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifelua, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to draft a basic sleeve. To get started, you need to fold your paper into two, then you draw out your starting line. From your starting line, you're going to mark your cap height. You can check the screen on the formula on how to calculate your cap height. Then you draw a line across the point. You place your tape on the starting line and mark out your sleeve length. So you mark your sleeve length plus your seam allowance. Draw a line across the points. On this line, you're going to mark your cap width plus your seam allowance. Check the screen for the formula. Then draw a straight line as you see me doing. Next, you're going to get the midpoint of this line and go up by 0.5. So you take your curve ruler and you connect from the tip to meet the point where you marked 0.5, just like this. And you will connect the lines together. You place your curve at the tip of the paper again and you connect to meet the midpoint. Then turn the direction of your curve ruler and you connect like so. So this is the back and this is the front. Next, on this line, you're going to mark your round sleeve divided by 2 plus your seam allowance. Then you connect the points together as you see me doing. So guys, that is all about the drafting of a basic short sleeve. So when you are cutting out a pattern, you make sure you cut out the back piece first. Then you open up and you cut out the front. Alright guys, if you find this video valuable, hit on the subscribe button for more videos like this and also turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest videos.